अपने भविष्य के लिए क्या सोचा है? What have you planned for your career? What have you planned for your career? यह काम करना कोई बच्चों का खेल नहीं है. Doing this work is not a child's play. Doing this work is not a child's play. तुम कौन सी फिल्म देखना पसंद करोगी? Which movie would you like to watch? Which movie would you like to watch? मेरे भाई को अपना काम पूरा करना है. My brother has to complete his work. My brother has to complete his work. तुम्हारे पास बहुत साड़ियाँ हैं. You have many sarees. You have many sarees. कंप्यूटर चालू करें क्या? Shall we switch on the computer? Shall we switch on the computer? अब वो काम से भाग नहीं सकता. He can't stick the work now. He can't stick the work now. हम क्रिकेट खेल चुके हैं. We have played cricket. We have played cricket. खेलते हुए टांग पर चोट लग गई. I hurt my leg while playing. I hurt my leg while playing. हमने शिमला में खूब आनंद लिया. We enjoyed a lot in Simla. We enjoyed a lot in Simla. तुम्हारे रूखे व्यवहार से उसे चोट पहुंची है. Your rude behavior has hurt him. Your rude behavior has hurt him. यात्रा करते समय सामान कम लेकर जाना चाहिए. You should travel light. You should travel light. वह आज आ रहा होगा. He would be coming today. He would be coming today. आज के बाद वो तुम्हें कभी चोट नहीं पहुंचाएगा. Now onwards he will never hurt you. Now onwards he will never hurt you. वो दिल्ली से अभी-अभी आया है. He had just come from Delhi. He has just come from Delhi. बच्चा मेरे आगे था. The child was ahead of me. The child was ahead of me. ये लड़का कहाँ पर था? Where was this boy? Where was this boy? मैं तुमसे लंबा हूँ. I am taller than you. I am taller than you. ये तुम्हारे लिए मेरा प्यार है. This is my love for you. This is my love for you. ये कहानी किसी और की है. This story is someone else. This story is someone else. हम बैठे हुए थे. We were sitting. We were sitting. तुम दिल्ली के आसपास हो. You are near about Delhi. You are near about Delhi. उसके भाई कितने बड़े हैं? How old are his brothers? How old are his brothers? मैं क्लास में बैठा हूँ। I am sitting in the class. I am sitting in the class. मैं सिर्फ तुम्हारे लिए जिंदा हूँ। I am alive only for you. I am alive only for you. कितने बच्चे इस समय यहाँ हैं? How many children are here at this time? How many children are here at this time? उसके पापा पिए हुए थे। His father was drunk. His father was drunk. तुम घर के अंदर थे। You were inside the house. You were inside the house. इस फूल की खुशबू बहुत अच्छी है। The fragrance of this flower is very nice. The fragrance of this flower is very nice. Or this flower smells great. This flower smells great. ये कुछ और है। This is something else. This is something else. मैंने जो कुछ किया वहीं पर किया। Whatever I did there. Whatever I did there. उसकी जिंदगी में खुशी नहीं है। There is no joy in his life. There is no joy in his life. प्यार जैसी कोई चीज़ नहीं होती। There is no such thing as love. There is no such thing as love. ऐसा कोई शब्द नहीं होता। There is no such word. There is no such word. ऐसी कोई कहानी नहीं है। There is no such story. There is no such story. वहाँ कितने लोग हैं? How many people are there? How many people are there? क्या वहाँ कुछ चल रहा है? Is something going on there? Is something going on there? क्या तुम्हारे पास पेन है? Do you have a pen? Do you have a